Also, I wanted to tell you guys something. I don't remember what. ये मेरे बाल को अगर सॉफ्ट कर देता है ना तो किसी के भी बाल को सॉफ्ट कर देगा. मुझे एक चीज समझ में नहीं आता, बात करते करते ग्लॉस कहाँ जाता है यार? डू आई ईट इट? भाई साहब मेरे पास इतना सारा प्रोडक्ट कैसे हो जाता है? मुझे तो बहुत सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स देख के. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that time of the month when I'm back with product empties video. I know I'm a little late this month, but I'm really sorry. I was really busy with other stuff. It's better to be late than never, I suppose. Many of these products are gonna be repetitive, so I'm not gonna be sitting and reviewing those products. I'm just gonna be giving you speed reviews, very quick. These many products, you guys can see बहुत ज़्यादा products हो गया. I am always excited to throw them off because junk collect करना किसको पसंद है. So now without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump ahead into the video. First one is the Body Wise 1% Salicylic body wash. Nothing new. This is a repetitive product. I have repurchased this thrice already. I have used this completely. This is 700 ml quantity. I pick up at a very good discount from Amazon. It has salicylic acid, so you can use it every alternate day. To be honest, I was addicted to this. I usually like to use it every day because it also has a pump. It's very easy to use. It has a very nice aqua smell, and it has gotten this exfoliating beads as well. So definitely I'm going to repurchase, but just not right now because I do have a lot of chargers in my bathroom, and my bathroom doesn't have any more space to hold another charger. So थोड़े दिन के बाद I'll definitely repurchase this. Also, this is like a more of aqua fragrance, which is very suitable for summers. So probably I'll take a break, but definitely a repurchase. If you are in the lookout for an exfoliating body wash, which also works, to be honest, it keeps your sweat and odor at bay. Many of my friends I have recommended to, they have come back and told me that this actually keeps their sweat and odor at bay. So if you're in a lookout for an exfoliating body wash, this is something that you can completely give a shot to. Then the next product that I finished is again nothing new. This is the Plum Caramel Body Lotion. Nothing new. This is again a full size 400 ml quantity. I have completely used it. I don't think kuch bacha hai isme. No, I've completely used it. Still smells so good, like caramel popcorn. So again, this is a definite repurchase. You can pick up this at a very good discount from Plum website or Nykaa. Nykaa keeping Friday sale, maybe they were having very good sales on it. I usually like to pair this up with the body mist and the perfume, and they just smell so good. It spreads onto your skin so nicely. Does not like feel chip or greasy, but just for winter it's not that moisturizing enough. That's what I feel. Right now I'm having like a couple of other body lotions on my vanity, so I want to finish them all. By that time I think winter bhi khatam ho jayega, so definitely I'm going to repurchase this one as well. Then I have finished up 2 Urban Yoga K acne pimple patches. These are like essentials, you guys know, like it's a must. I need to have them in my vanity, in my travel bag, and everywhere I go I carry one of these. So these work very nicely. I feel they're very economic as well as compared to other acne patches, and they work as well. So they come in 2 sheets, and they are quite affordable. I pick one for 276 rupees or 256 rupees from Amazon, and they last pretty decent. So I finished both of them in one and a half month. दो खत्म किए मैंने. So imagine like how much of breakout I had. Then I finished this Aqualogica cleansing balm. Not a fan of this. I have already spoken a lot about this in the product regrets video. If you guys haven't watched it, you can watch it. But this no offense in this cleansing balm, because it does amazing job of cleansing your makeup, removing your makeup, and no doubt about it, be it waterproof mascara, waterproof lipstick, or stubbornness of your makeup that you're wearing, it's gonna remove it. And you would just require very little quantity also, let me tell you that. Also, it just beautifully emulsifies, and it is very emollient, not emulsify, sorry, it is very emollient. And you just like with the warmth of your skin, it just melts everything. but it is very oily and greasy. Even when it comes in contact with water, it does emulsify, but it's not gonna be like one and done product. Of course, you need to go ahead with a cleansing face wash, but then a single step face wash is not gonna cut it for this. I usually require to use 2 to 3 times face wash. I mean, why to go unnecessary of so much of pain? Nevertheless, it's an amazing product when it comes to removing the makeup, but it can improve the formula because the product in itself is very good. It's just that it leaves a very strong oily greasy film on the face, which is not a good feeling. Even if you can see, my hand is also gotten like little shiny because of this. So the entire water, it kind of sweats. The even the packaging is kind of sweating. If I don't know if that makes sense. So definitely not repurchase, and a regret buying is also. Then I finished my favorite Sika gel from Earth Rhythm. This is one of my favorite. It's an OG. I have completely finished it. So whenever I come back from traveling or come back from trek, or my skin is irritated, I just like to apply this a thick layer on my skin, leave it for 5 minutes, and then go in and apply a sunscreen. And that's about it. That's my morning skincare routine, and the night the same thing. I just go ahead with the moisturizer. That's my skincare routine whenever my skin is extremely irritated. No actives, nothing. And Earth Rhythm, to be honest, I'm like literally blown away by their launches. It's not a new product, but then there are many gems from Earth Rhythm which work so beautifully, but people don't talk about it just because they don't do a massive campaign or promotions. But I think these products need to get viral, or at least like people should talk about these products. This is an amazing product for acne, combination oily skin people, or even people who have a sensitive skin. They need to try this product out. I can vouch for this product. This product really helps in calming your skin. So if you are in a lookout for some product like that, an alternative to aloe vera gel, many people are like allergic or sensitive to aloe vera, they can give this one a shot. This also has Scintilla asiatica calendula, which helps in calming your skin again, and it has ginseng and licorice. Okay, I didn't know it has so many ingredients, but yeah, overall it has a jelly like consistency. It also comes with a spatula which I threw, but I already have one more which I'm like using it right now. वो भी शायद जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. And also, this is the product that I like to apply in my sensitive area after shaving, like my intimate area or my underarms. So once I'm done with shaving, this is what I apply. So I apply this almost over my entire body, and it works beautifully. Then, guys, I also finished this protein powder from Cosmic Wellness. This is no nonsense protein powder, and I am in the variant Chikmagaluru Mocha. I have already spoken about this a lot in detail. Why I love this, what are the micronutrients, etc. in one of the product empties video. If you guys want it, I'm gonna leave the timestamp of that video on the screen. You can just go ahead, jump ahead to that part and watch it. But this is the Chikmagaluru Mocha. My favorite is the Ratnagiri mango and Mahabaleshwar strawberry. So those are the two that I keep backups of, and I kind of use them throughout the year. But yeah, there comes a period wherein like I don't get both of them, so I go back to couple of the variants which I like as well. This is one amongst them. So by the time I finish this, the Mahabaleshwar strawberry is already on stock because it's a winter season and the strawberries are back. So I'm gonna stock that up for like at least 4 months, and then once I'm done with that, I'm sure the mango season will be back and I can stock up that. That's what I do. So that's that. This is definitely a repurchase, and I have already repurchased this and I've started using it. So that's that. Then I have one body mist from Bath and Body Works. This is in the variant Vanilla Bean Noir. So hear me out. This has a very nice notes. It has a fresh vanilla bean, a warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. So it's very sweet. It's exactly like a cupcake, a dessert, vanilla creamy dessert. But the thing is, it doesn't last at all. It's very musky also. Like, oh my god, it smells so good. Even I myself cannot smell it after 5 minutes. And most of the fragrances, guys, on me doesn't last. I'm not gonna deny, most of the fragrances, like 99.9% of the fragrances do not last on me. But on the clothes, majority of the perfumes last, and how that's how I decide on the duration, like how long the perfume lasts. So this one did not last on the clothes as well at all. Like I couldn't smell this even after 5 minutes, even after spritzing so many sprays. That reason I'm not gonna be repurchasing it. I have finished it completely because this smells so good. But kya hi faida if it doesn't last. And by the way, this I picked up last year at the winter sale for 799 rupees. So that's that. And I finished my favorite conditioner. This conditioner is my OG. Like I already have backups of this conditioner. This is the coconut milk and peptide strength and shine conditioner. It has shea butter and olive derived squalene. I use their shampoo as well and this as well. I've also made it a dedicated a video on this. They did send out me this products, but that video was not sponsored. They just sent out these products for me to try it out. And whatever I said in that video, if I would watch that video, it's okay. But if you have, I just want you to know that if at all I'm doing some sort of a promotion, it's something that I've tried and they are my honest review. If you have been following me since the beginning, you guys know that bahut pehle I've made a plum haul, in wherein I have tried all the three products from this range. And I told you that I had earlier received a free sample for some purchases that I made of the shampoo, which I took it for some traveling and I loved it. That's the reason I invested in the full size. And that was when I was first trying out this conditioner. And over the period, I fell in love with this range and I have repurchased this shampoo and conditioner. Much later, I got these products from Plum to make a video, make a sponsored video. So basically, I did not get any payment for that. They just did send out those products, but the reviews and everything were absolutely true. And I have already repurchased this one. I have like couple of shampoos already, because one is the brand sent out to me and one I was already using a full size, and I went ahead and stocked it up also. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, basically I'm like sorted for good sometime from this range. And this is a range even today that this is what I have used and I love this range. So if you have chemically treated dry frizzy hair, give this range a shot. I'm not sure about the mask review is coming soon in one of my video, but for the shampoo and the conditioner, I just love it. Please check this one out. It's not super expensive that it's gonna be waste of your money. It's very affordable and you can completely check this out. I'm sure you will like this product. So that's that. मुझे सबसे अच्छा ये लगता है इसमें कि you don't have to put this mask and wait for like 10-15 minutes. Who got that much of time? Within like 2 minutes, my hair becomes soft. Then moving on to the next product is this face wash. This is from Foxtail. This is just the hydrating cleanser from Foxtail, which is also has gained popularity because it also gently removes the makeup. I think they have two cleansers. I haven't tried out the other one, but this is my one of my favorite. Actually, it has very little quantity, 100 ml, but it since is very gentle, doesn't foam up that crazy. So you do require a little bit of pumps in one go. Like, and if you have a little bit of makeup, it just requires like 2 to 3 pumps. So jaldi khatam ho jata hai. And the only thing that I would like to say is that it has fragrance. So if you are fragrance sensitive, you can maybe skip this product. But if you're okay with little bit of fragrance, however, fragrance is at the last of the ingredient list, and that too it says it's allergen free fragrance. I did not react to it fragrance personally, and I finished it. I probably will be repurchasing again when I'm, because Foxtail I don't buy from any other platform. I like to buy from the Foxtail website also because they are always running very good discounts. So when I'll be running out of lot of products from Foxtail, that's when I'll go and pick up restock this product as well. So yeah, you can totally check this product out. But dry skin people are going to enjoy this face wash for sure, because it's hydrating. It's not gonna strip off your skin at all. Then moving on, I finished this perfume as well. This is from Studio West, and this is Cherry Love, and the variant Cherry Love. I'm not also sure whether this is available right now. Still smells good. It smells fresh and sweet. It does have cherries, and I do smell Coca-Cola and everything. Okay, overall the projection was also very good. So this is a very good product. Will I repurchase it? Not necessarily, because there are a lot of perfumes in the market to try out. But if you guys want to try it, then you can definitely go and purchase it. And also west side stores, you can easily find west side stores in your locality. Go and sniff for yourself and check this out. It's an amazing perfume for an affordable rate. I think it was under 500. I'm not sure about the notes and everything. I'm gonna leave it on the screen, you guys can check it out. Then I finished a sunscreen from Dermaco. Unfortunately, I don't have any sunscreen because I'm trying out a couple of sunscreens now. So it's kind of haphazard on the vanity. I just pick up whatever sunscreen I feel like that day. So I couldn't target one particular sunscreen and finish it. But this is something that I took it from my Banaras trip. And this is a Chotu variant. This is just a 30-gram product, which I got it for free, which I put it in my travel bag. And this is a hyaluronic wala sunscreen from Dermaco, which is like a OG, cannot go wrong. I know this product works for me during winters as well for my skin type, because I took this for my Kashmir trek and it worked very beautifully. I did not even break out even once while I was just using the sunscreen there in the Himalayas. So that's the reason I trusted this and took it to Varanasi. And here also it completely supported me like a partner in crime. So this is something that I'll keep going back to. But right now I have a lot of sunscreens and I want to finish that first, and then probably I'll repurchase this again. Amazing sunscreen. Then I finished this from this mask from L'Oreal Hyaluronic Moisture range. This is the Hydra Filling Night Cream. This is basically a leave-on conditioner sort of a thing. You can use this as a mask and wash it off. You can use it as a pre-wash treatment, leave it for like half an hour or so, and then again shampoo, wash it off. Or you can use it as a serum as well. How I like to use it is like a leave-on conditioner, like a serum, basically. After I wash my face after it gets a little bit dry, and when it's slightly damp, that's when I scoop out a little bit of product and massage it into my entire hair length. And yes, it does make your hair super soft. For my chemically treated hair, sometimes it worked, sometimes it did not. And more than this cream, I love not loved I still love the shampoo and conditioner, which is like my OG. I still have it in my bathroom and I keep using them. I probably am not going to repurchase this, is also because it kind of gets messy. So if your hair is wet and like damp and it's like dripping with water, uh applying a serum, oil based serum, is easier than applying this, because it kind of gets super messy. My hands get super squirmy, and I don't know how to say, slimy. And I have this urge to go and wash my hands. That does not happen when you apply a oil based serum. You don't have to wash it because it completely gets transferred onto your hair, and like it gets absorbed into your skin, but this doesn't. And also, I'm not sure when it's that messy and that wet, it's gonna get transferred onto my pillow. And I don't know whether if it transfers onto my face, how my face is gonna react. So for for that messy part, I think I'm not gonna repurchase this. But I have heard very good reviews of this product from everyone, and the people love this product. So it's a good product, but just because of that problem, I'm not gonna repurchase this one. I hope you guys understand and can take an informed decision by yourself. Then I finished my favorite Bath and Body Works ka Thousand Wishes. You look at the condition of this bottle, you guys can see this tag is completely gone, worn off, because I think this product is expired. I got this in 2022 or something. I'm sure this got expired, but me being so confused that I was using this very cautiously. I also have a perfume. I also have a restock of this, but still I was using it so cautiously. I don't know, as if it's some sort of a luxury perfume or something. But you see, it's not about the money, it's about how much you love this fragrance. Hands down, I still say this is the best favorite perfume of mine. Of If you combine everything that I've used in my entire life, this is my top first favorite. So you guys know how much I love this fragrance, and I already have repurchased this. Nothing to say. This is a floral yet very sophisticated fragrance. It's sweet and doesn't trigger my migraine. I mean, it's one of those kind of a fragrance. This has pink prosecco, crystal peonies, and lighted amber. And in the new variant, they did put up little extra notes into it, and the perfume also has like some other complex notes to it. But overall, they smell the same and last very good, decent amount of time. So this is one of the perfume which last good. And one of you commented on the Bath and Body Works ka dedicated video that I have done, that you guys bought this for 899 or 799 rupees. I'm blown away. You guys are lucky that you could find this for 799, because this almost never goes on discount, because this is their running fragrance. There are like a couple of running fragrances from this from Bath and Body Works, and they never go on sale. If at all they have to go on sale, it's always buy one get one. And this also they have increased price to like 2300 something. So buy one get one पे भी यार बहुत expensive हो जाता है. So that's the reason I would advise you to pick up this one. If you get it for 799, oh my god, you guys are like, oh, sorted. Then I finished one Nivea Deo Roll-On, nothing new, the same old, fresh, natural, 0% alcohol ka Deo Roll-On, nothing new. It's gonna be there in my every video, so that's that. Okay, then I finished two makeup items I have. So then I finished the Swiss Beauty Quad palette. This is a Shape My brows in the shade 01. I think you might have like seen this product in almost all of my tutorials. I have finished this brown one completely, and I've also hit pan on this black one. But now it's so old, you guys can, it's not expired, but you guys can see the condition of the product. And to be honest, I was slightly started to get breakouts around my eyebrows, and that's when I thought probably I should like ditch this one. And nevertheless, but still I've tried to finish this brown one. I completely finished it. Now on its own I cannot use this, because black alone is going to be very stark and gray. I don't like it. I'm doing justice because I finished it, that's the reason I'm throwing it away. So yeah, this is a very nice palette, and they do come in one more shade, which is like I think brown. Correct amount of pigment. It also comes with a jelly, which I didn't use, and it also comes with two spoolie and an angle brush. It's like perfect for traveling as well, so you can totally check this out. Then I finished this compact powder from Rimmel. Love this compact powder. This was in the shade 30. Amazing compact powder. Finished it completely. The packaging, suck. So I found a way to, like, I found a solution for this packaging. I kind of like used scotch tapes or tapes to just fix it. Now even if it breaks, it's not gonna be a problem for me. And I finished it. I finished a transparent shade from this. Blurs out your skin, under eyes and everything. You can use this for a setting powder as well as a finishing setting powder. You can set your under eyes or whatever. You just have to do a great color match and you're good to go. This is said to be a dupe of a high-end powder as well. People compare this with Verified. People even compare this with Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm not sure because I haven't used those. But overall, this product performs very high-end. It gives a very blurring sort of a feeling. It is not, it's not dewy at the same time, it's not matte. So yeah, for the price that they provide, it's amazing. It is originally for 250, but sometimes on sale it's for 141, 151 or something. So for that price, it's amazing. So I think with that, we are done. So Banaras videos are coming soon, like shorts to main bana hi rahi hu. Also let me know if you guys want to see a haul from Meesho. Most of the clothes that I got are from Meesho for whatever I wore in Banaras. So if you guys want, I can make a haul video. I can make a haul video, but if you're not interested, then probably I wouldn't make, because मुझे haul video, मुझे clothing haul video shoot करना ना बहुत bore होता है, and they don't go also, they don't perform. You guys don't enjoy only. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want a clothing festive haul video from Meesho, because yeah, I bought almost all the clothes from Meesho and they performed so good. I'm so proud of myself for choosing all the outfits that I did. So let me know in the comment section. So basically, you guys can follow me on Instagram as well. I'm gonna leave the Instagram handle on the screen as well as in the description box below. That is not a professional account. So since I don't share much of personal life and everything over on YouTube, so if you guys want to see the other part of my life, like my work or my travel or like something fun, you guys can follow me on the Instagram. That is not a professional account. And also let me know, should I create a professional account? Because easier on Instagram, because brands के साथ collaborate करना और like uh, brands के साथ communication करना is easier on Instagram, and also you get more reach on Instagram as opposed to YouTube. That's what I feel like. Not reach, but you get more visibility on Instagram than YouTube. But for me right now, I think I won't be able to handle like two platforms. उसको edit करना, इसको edit करना, इसका SEO अलग है, उसका SEO अलग है. I don't have that much time to do like to handle both the platforms. ये YouTube में ही मेरा mostly time जा रहा है because I do have a hectic schedule. So maybe in future I will definitely do it, but right now I don't think I'll be able to handle both the platforms. That's the reason like I haven't really considered creating a professional account. Let me know what are your thoughts on that. So yeah, help me out a little bit. That those are the few things that I wanted to tell you guys and also share with you guys. So I think I'm gonna take off, and I shall see you in the next video super soon. Stay tuned for that. Tada, bye bye.